In October 1962, the world came closer to nuclear war than ever before. The Cold War had turned the planet into a tense standoff between two superpowers. The crisis began when American spy planes discovered Soviet nuclear missile sites under construction in Cuba, just 90 miles from the United States. The Soviet Union had secretly placed the missiles there to strengthen its position. In response, President John F. Kennedy announced a naval blockade around Cuba. American warships moved into position, forming a blockade around Cuba while the world watched anxiously. For 13 tense days, the United States and the Soviet Union stood on the edge of nuclear war. Behind the scenes, negotiations finally produced a fragile agreement. The Soviet Union would remove its missiles from Cuba. The crisis ended, but the world had learned how close humanity had come to nuclear catastrophe.